Laser Locators has its own logistics department. It's based here in Tampa, Florida, and it consists of multiple vehicles, Sprinter vans, and even a custom 30-foot Freightliner truck that's driven and operated by our own staffed and insured employees. Those trucks will go as far as Las Vegas, California, New York, Maine. They've been all over the country, providing our clients with a white glove service.
It is very important that our equipment arrives exactly how the doctor wants it. It's installed, it's up to manufacturing standards, and we do that by having our own employees delivering our equipment.
Logistics has always been a concern to doctors. It's also been a concern to us. We need to make sure that equipment's delivered not only working to the manufacturer's standards, but also presented well, without a scratch at the bottom of the table, without a wheel missing, without that little tiny detail that our quality control department catches just prior to that laser getting on the truck. What this means to our customers is they know that when they purchase equipment from us, we are absolutely responsible for every aspect of that sale. All the accountability is on us. We don't point the finger at a logistics company. We don't blame Federal Express. We do not drop ship equipment to an ophthalmologist's office whatsoever under any circumstance. It does not happen. We send an employee, someone who is trained to set up the equipment, to adjust the equipment should it have any shifts in transportation, and to make sure, most importantly, that the ophthalmologist is satisfied with what he purchased. Because in the end, that's our main goal.
It is very beneficial for me to be able to offer my customer a level of experience like no other company. We can hand deliver our products. The technician goes to the facility to install and make sure everything is perfect.
We are not brokers. We don't pay for a piece of equipment and ship it to another doctor without putting hands on it. Having our technicians, our engineers, look at every aspect of it.
We provide a guaranteed product with a guaranteed service. We're setting an expectation much higher than everybody else.
To be a leader, you have to pay attention to the details, and that's what sets us apart from everyone else.